Imagine a world where every business operation is enhanced by artificial intelligence. Welcome to the transformative journey of the AI factory model. What is the AI factory model, you ask? Picture a dynamic environment where AI seamlessly integrates into every aspect of business operations. This isn't just about technology. It's about creating a collaborative ecosystem that merges the expertise of internal teams, state-of-the-art cloud technology, and top AI professionals to redefine how businesses operate. As we set the stage for this transformation, it all starts with a visionary approach. Identifying critical AI applications and involving every stakeholder is crucial. At the heart of this model is what we call the Dream Team, a group of skilled data scientists, savvy AI engineers, and creative product owners, all driven to transform AI dreams into impactful realities. Governance and agile execution are the twin pillars supporting this structure. An AI factory board ensures strategic alignment and oversight, while agile methodologies facilitate rapid prototyping and continuous enhancement, critical for maintaining a competitive edge in today's fast-paced market. And the benefits, they are substantial. From skyrocketing efficiency to sparking innovation and bolstering agility, the AI factory model slashes through traditional inefficiencies and opens up new pathways for creativity, helping businesses pivot quickly to meet market demands and customer expectations. In conclusion, adopting the AI factory model means more than just integrating new tech. It's about embarking on a strategic transformation. It's an invitation for forward-thinking businesses to use AI not merely for automation, but as a pivotal asset in fostering an agile, innovative, and resilient business environment. Step into the future with us and reshape your business for the digital age. This video was presented by BusinessAgility.Education, a worldwide blog by Professor Thomas Hormeza Dow. Subscribe for more insights on harnessing the power of agility, emerging technologies, and AI in business.